Hello all. My buddy over on Rookie Linux, Florian, he asked me to do a video on his Conky script because he gets asked a lot about where to get the script and what it does. And I thought I'd obviously make a video and just go through the process of installing Conky, but it's not really that hard in Archlinux. In Ubuntu, I have a video, but it's a little outdated, but I'll put the link in the description as well as another link for the instructions in Pastebin. So I don't have Conky installed right at the moment, so I do have a custom repository. So my shortcut for Pacman sudo pacman s is pack alias. Sorry. So it'd be conky-colors. We notice here it's downloading HDD temp, and we have to configure that. But it also includes all the stuff you would need for Conky-Colors. Once it's downloaded, it's just a matter of typing in Conky-Colors just to generate a simple Conky script for you. So Conky-Colors, and for example, you do 2 dashes CPU equals 6. When you press enter, it creates a conkyrc file in your home directory. So if you just take this command, copy, and then paste that in, press enter, you'll see at the side here on the right, this is Conky-Colors running. So Florian has done an awesome job over on Rookie Linux YouTube channel of making a rather nice looking Conky script. So I'll run through that as well. So I'll make these two files here available through my Dropbox. I'll include a link. First one is the original script he sent me, and the one that I use for my AMD HD Radeon. So they're basically similar. So let's look at the one I have, and it's just a conkyrc file. Okay, and usually what I do is I change the gap Y gap to 10, and also you'll have to look for your type in iwconfig in your terminal to find out your wireless if you're using wireless. And well, you also have to get the pizza dude bullets as well, and also configure HDD temp. So if you go to your home folder and type Conky-Colors and go into that directory, here's the one that was generated we're talking about. Just rename that to original or orig, and then we'll take this one. Take the one from the archive and throw it in here. And from the terminal that we had, there it is there. Okay, so far. And you see there's no logos here. Those are the pizza dude bullets, and I have to change this as well. Okay. And you notice here it says HDD temp host. It can't connect to it. So now it's running a bunch of stuff. We have to open another terminal and actually type in pkill conky. So if you look for, you can do like a search and all at once kind of thing, like search, replace WLAN 0, I think. So you're gonna have to change these to whatever your, if you're using wireless is. I also used remove the KBS, because it shows that anyway. Okay, with that out of the way, just Control S to save that, and we're gonna have to get the fonts. So that's on DAFONT, and they actually have a search, and it's bullets. Just search bullets. There you go, pizza dude. And download. Save it to your downloads folder. And we'll go to open another file manager. Just take them out. Just take the TTF file out. Then open a terminal here. And then sudo cp and then pizza. Just start typing that. Pizza dude bullets.ttf /usr share fonts ttf, and then just do an fc up cache. Sorry, you have to make that sudo, and then another space dash fv, I believe. Now, as I mentioned, I changed the gap underscore y to 10 and 10. Then go down to the text section, and where it has Conky-Colors logos, just copy that, and then go down to where it says Open Logos, and paste that in, and change this small u. If you're using Arch Linux, just replace it with an A. And I think that's about all you have to do for the configuration file. So we'll save and close this. And to get HDD temp for Arch Linux working is I just copied this from the Arch Linux wiki. You just make a directory in the systemd, and then you can edit this. And you can have, like, I have device SDB, but you can add other ones as well, SDA or whatever. So another terminal, and we'll just take this line just to keep it fairly error free. Paste that in, press enter, that's it. And then sudo leafpad or nano or gedit, whatever editor you're using. I'm going to use leafpad, and it's blank, of course. And we just take this between the these hashed lines here, service exec start, then exec start equals usr bin hdd temp, and the switches, and then what hard drive you want. It could be SDA, for example. So we'll copy that and paste that in, save, and quit. And then we just have to reload the daemon and restart HD temp. However, since I haven't enabled the service, it'd be a good idea to do that. So sudo systemctl enable hdd temp service. Okay, and you can actually system control start. And let's just do the rest of this. System control system daemon reload. And restart HDD temp. And finally run conky-c /home your username /conky-colors /conky-rc. Okay, everything seems to be working. I have the HD Radeon, the temperature, the GPU usage, CPU for 6 cores, RAM, disk, and the IP. And I forgot to remove, see what I mean, is the little kilobit per second. You don't really need to have that in there, so let's go back to our Conky-Colors directory and just edit that last one, second last one. This here, you see it's right here. Just delete that and save, and this should reload and come back. Now it's not there. Okay? So that's basically how you go about it in Arch Linux. Like I said, I have a link to it for Ubuntu. There's a few more steps involved, but it's basically the same idea. And I'll also like I said, I'll have both links for the full version because it includes the NVIDIA card as well. Okay, so I hope anybody that's interested, I think is a really cool script. You can get through this, and thanks so much to Rookie Linux for this awesome script, and thank you to everyone else for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.